An RPG key is a programmable keyboard designed around the needs of professional photographers, videographers, designers, and more recently for engineers and scientists. The magic is not so much in the keyboard, but in the software that gives the keyboard its brain. Think for a moment about how often you use a mouse in your daily job. Using a mouse is like typing a letter with one finger. You can only point and click on the mouse so fast. Now consider how fast you can type with all 10 fingers. Imagine the speed of being able to work 10 mice at a time. The RPG key allows you to record macros, switches, mouse clicks, shortcuts, menu items, and so much more to each of the buttons on the keyboard. We offer two hardware keyboards at the moment, a 58 key unit and a 16 key wireless unit. The 16 key unit starts at $38 to try for a month, and then it's $19 per month. The larger 58 key unit is a $199 investment and a $25 per month subscription after the first month. Both keyboards are Mac and PC ready and can be purchased for those wishing to avoid a monthly subscription.
Let me give you a real-world example from the photography industry. I'm in Adobe's Lightroom 3 program and I happen to be in the library module. Imagine that I wanted to look at these 6 photographs and I didn't have an RPG key, and then I wanted to edit them. So we'll go through this. I'm going to select, holding down the Shift key, I'm going to select 5 photos here, and then I'm going to hit the N key, which is going to pull up all 5 of those photographs together. Now if I want to click on, let's say, the 3rd photograph, and I want to put a vignette on it, I'm going to find over here on the right hand side the vignette slider, and I'm going to scroll all the way down and vignette post crop 2. And then if I wanted to go ahead and make it black and white, I'm going to scroll back up to the top, using my eyes and finding black and white, and I'm good there. Now if I want to maybe bring the exposure down, again, another mouse click to bring my exposure down. The same is true in the develop module of Lightroom. Let me show you how you can do this using the RPG keys with 2 buttons. So we'll start over. We're going to go back up to the first photograph, and I'm going to just go ahead and hit 1 button for the RPG keys. It's going to grab the 6 images. Now here's that 3rd image. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and say, okay, well we'll make it sepia, and now we'll put a vignette on it, and it's doing all of this thinking for me. Okay, I can add exposure, I can go to the next image, I can say, okay, I don't want this image, let's hide it. And now it's going to hide that one photo and make the remaining photos larger on the screen. So this is just one example of how owners of the RPG keys are able to create these macros to increase their workflow by as much as 80%. Recording mouse clicks, recording functions on your computer to a single button on the RPG key is really what it's all about.